it's Michelle from MintModels.com again, and we are here today to do our second unboxing video. Thank you so much to those of you who watched last week and are back again to watch this week. Hopefully you will continue to enjoy the content that we put out. So last week I touched on a little bit on what we like to call here in-house a vault find. And what that usually means is it's something of very rare and something that's usually very valuable that we might not have been aware that we had, or maybe set it aside somewhere and didn't realize it was there. Sometimes we find these when we do inventory. That's usually the most common way that we find a vault find, is by doing inventory and then realizing that something that has been long sold out is actually still in our inventory. And then there's the other way, which is the way that I found this yesterday. I was looking for another very valuable piece that somebody might have been ordering for somebody famous, which I won't divulge. But anyway, in order to get to that model, I had to lift up this model. And as I set it aside, I made a mental note to myself that I think I know what that is, and come back to that after. So after I finished working with that customer, I did go back and I revisited it, and I was able to confirm that this is in fact a vault find of epic proportions, actually. It's an Exoto model. Many of you are probably have been looking at the box while I'm speaking, trying to figure out exactly what the model is, and some of you might have already figured it out. It is the 1973 Porsche 917 driven by Mark Donohue. This is the version that Exoto did with the bonus of the rolling chassis included. It is limited to 1,974 pieces. It has long been sold out, and Exoto listed on their website, wait for it, $4,500. Let's open it up. This is exciting. I haven't opened it up because I wanted to wait for you. So we'll have this in here. That's just the registration. As you can see, it's all packed up. It still has its tissue paper. It is 1/18 scale. I'm not sure if I said that before. And you can see it is still intact with all of the tissue paper from the manufacturer. I'm going to leave it that way. But you can see that you have the two parts. You have the rolling chassis as well as the model. And then on the top, if we go back to this, you'll see that we have and it's got all the Mark Donohue, the number 6, all of the logos and badging looks perfect. Yeah, I can't believe that we found this over there, and it's just absolutely in perfect condition. Super exciting. Thank you to everyone who watched our unboxing video this week and last. I will tell you that I chose not to disturb this model as much as I would do with a normal unboxing, where I would have actually taken the model completely out and shown individual shots of it. Because of the value of this model, I think it's very important that we keep it intact for the lucky customer that is going to be able to add it to their collection. We do only have one of these here, and obviously it's a treasure for whoever ends up getting it, and we really don't want to disturb it more than necessary. But we did want to show it to you and let you know that it is here for purchase. We've added it to the website. You'll see the link below. So go ahead and place your order if it's one that you're interested in having for your collection. Make sure that, as always, you like and subscribe below so that you will be able to see future content that we put out. Thank you again. Bye.